From the OBTV Live Weather Center, this is your day planner forecast with meteorologist Sam Riker.
Hello everyone, I'm Sam Riker. You're watching OBTVLive.com, your day planner forecast brought to you by Wild Birds Unlimited of South Haven, Mississippi, located at 5847 Getwell Road, Suite A8. Hey, hover your phone over that QR code and it'll take you right to their website. Relax and enjoy the birds. Let's take a look at the day planner forecast now. At 8 a.m., sunny skies, 56 degrees, 76 degrees at noon with sunny skies, up to 80 at 5 p.m. with sunny skies after a high today of 82. Southwesterly breezes today, 5 to 10 miles per hour. I'm Sam Riker. Hope you have a great day.